Hi, how are you, Randeep?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
I'm good. Do you remember me?
We've
I
done
will
interviews.
remind you.
Hmm.
No, I'll remind you. 2017, I had come to Faridabad. We were there for 1 week at your old house. We were doing that Godrej interior refurbishing of your entire house. Remember, with
Oh,
your mom and dad were there. Dr.
oh
Anjali
yeah,
was there,
yeah. Wow, wow, wow.
and I'm still in touch with Dr. Anjali. And she was writing that book, so I helped her out with the synopsis and everything.
Oh,
And
lovely.
sometimes I'm in touch with her on either WhatsApp or on Instagram.
Great, great, great,
And
great.
it was just after that was my last assignment in India, and then after that I moved to Dubai. Just I think weeks later.
How's life treating you in Dubai?
All good, yeah, by God's grace, and uh, like with contacts like yourself and other Bollywood celebrities, I get a lot of content. So it keeps me going. I do a show on this station called Talk 100.3. I have my own platform called Review on, right, for Times of India. Yeah, that keeps me busy. I do reviews for them.
Good, good, good. This is a good job.
Yep, but not better than yours. All right,
Trust me.
let's start. And congratulations on yet another amazing role. और 141st उनका बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है और उसी दिन को Z5 पे आ रही है ये फिल्म Z5 ग्लोबल पे. सो वाज
जी
इट ऑल प्लान्ड या फिर ये बस हो गया?
वीकेंड पे आनी थी तो मैंने Z5 वालों को बोला that it's his birthday on the 28th of May and we had released the teaser 2 years before that on 28th of May. So I thought it'll be a
अच्छा.
good date for it to come in at that time. And I was fortunate enough to be invited by the Lieutenant Governor of Andaman Nicobar Islands to have a screening there for the
Yeah.
administration, which I did. I even went and cut a cake for him in Kalapani as a symbol of let's stop persecuting him and let's start celebrating him. That jail was shut down in 1937, uh, so there are no
Oh,
inmates.
okay.
But there are children of inmates that I have met. Even the caretaker there, Rashida ji, was the great granddaughter of Afridi, an Afghani inmate over there. And
Okay. We've seen आप जब फिल्में करते हो तो you put in a lot of yourself. You apply a lot of yourself physically, mentally as well, and you believe in it wholeheartedly. तो क्या process होता है आपका to firstly choose the film? What are some prerequisites when you commit? Because you for you know it's like एक दो साल का commitment, कभी 3 साल, कभी उससे भी ज्यादा. So
Arey,
how do you choose your
I
film and
don't,
then how do you
I
prepare?
don't choose these commitments, brother. I don't choose these commitments. They just happen to me, and I want to do more work than spending three years on a movie. But I don't know what will happen next. There is a lot of times these projects choose me, and I
Hmm.
find them interesting before knowing I am going to be having to be so involved physically, mentally, and financially in this case. So it all happens from one point to the other, and it's not really planned. But I'm exhausted from these things, and I want to do some light-hearted, surfacial
Maybe.
work where I just dress up well and wear good clothes and walk in slow motion. I'm really looking forward to doing those roles now.
Maybe Love Ajkal 3. Who knows?
I don't know whether
So,
Imtiaz is going to make another Love Ajkal. I'm not. But I think that story is exhausted.
yeah, I think it has run its course. लेकिन आप जब इतना इतना कुछ डाल देते हो physically, mentally, and since I've known you for so long, I've followed your career as well. तो जब एक फिल्म उतना आप जितना डालते हो उतना एक्सपेक्टेशन के ऊपर खरी नहीं उतरती तो कितना इम्पैक्ट करता है आपको? और डू यू मूव ऑन? इट्स इजी फॉर यू टू मूव ऑन?
No, I think this has been a very successful film for me, not only artistically but financially as well. And it has done very well. And it was running. I think there are still shows running in the cinemas, even though it is on OTT. So this has been a very successful film for me. And
In general, I'm saying, of course, not for
expectation,
this
I don't
film.
know. I mean, happiness is, not having unrealistic expectations. and that's how one works. In this case, I was the producer as well, so I had more of a thing. But if it just involved as an actor, you've done your part as an actor, and then you move on. It's the director's movie and the producer's movie to put it out there. So there is absolutely, in my opinion, there's no involvement. I've usually just moved on to another movie, but because it involves so much more of me, I'm just a bit exhausted and taking it easy while choosing my next projects.
Yeah.
But failure and success is just a phase, brother. You have to just go on. What would be a failure would be that you think you have not put your 100%. That'll be a failure, in my opinion. Um, so that is something that I watch out for, and that is why I do put in my 100% and more. Then I have no regrets as to the fate of the film.
In your case, we know for sure in the last at least so many सरबजीत हो या हाईवे हो, इतनी आपने इतनी intense फिल्में की है ना कि हमको पता चल जाता है. Like even as a reviewer, when I watch it, I know whatever the fate of the film will be, but I know that the performance will get 10 out of 10 or 5 out of 5. That part will always be there when it comes to your.
I'm just very grateful for that.
तो your family has a doctor as well. I know Dr. Anjali. तो आपकी family और a close knit family. तो आप जब physically इतना ज्यादा घुस जाते हो फिल्म में, तो वो लोग कितना support कर दिया, वो आपको कहते हैं कि no, आप light hearted फिल्में करो.
All my transformations are monitored by Anjali. My sister does.
Okay.
And she also plays Madam Kama in this movie.
Yes.
Yeah. So she's been a very integral part of all my physical aspects of my transformation, and we're also very close, and we are great friends, and we always look out for each other. My mother and my father, even she also gets bothered. She was there throughout Kalapani, though she was not shooting or anything. She took off from work, and she was there just to monitor me because I used to faint sometimes. So my parents are always, my parents, my wife, everybody works around me. They're sick of me. They get sick of me, and they actually take the brunt of the involvement which the audience so appreciates. They are the ones taking the brunt of it. Before this, I was doing Inspector Avinash, who was a Khata Pita UP STF legend. And my mother was happiest at that time because I was, always
happy.
Yeah. But otherwise, it gets tough for them. They suffer more than me.
You also directed this film and you acted also, you produced also. So was it very challenging or कोई experience ऐसा जो आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा इस film का?
It was very challenging. The job of an actor is very personal. The job of a director is very team oriented. You have to have a lot more communication all the time. And when you're starving and irritable and short tempered, you don't want to talk to people. But I had to talk to people all day, all long. So when this film gets some accolades there for the cast and crew for tolerating me. बहुत किस्से हैं यार, अभी क्या याद दिलाएं. मेरी तो सबसे बड़ी याद यही रहेगी कि ये मूवी मेरी पहली मूवी थी और वो भी इतना बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सब्जेक्ट था. और एज अ डायरेक्टर मैंने इसमें काफी फॉर्म तोड़ने की कोशिश की है, फोर्थ वॉल तोड़ने की कोशिश की है. मैंने बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक फ्रांस में जाके कराया है, एडिट पैटर्न्स न्यू है, सारे कास्टिंग जैसे वो रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर थे वैसे कास्ट किए गए हैं. देयर इज सो मच ग्रेजुअल एजिंग, सो मच रिक्रिएशन ऑफ पीरियड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट्यूम एंड प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन. And it is a movie which is a disruptor. मेरे काफी सारे open-minded, liberal, artistic friends think I must have my transformation was great. I must have made a good movie, but they will not watch it because it is about a divisive figure called Mr. Savarkar. I mean, how open-minded is that? So that's a bit of a surprise, but I just brush it away. A lot of people, because it got released in general election time, they really painted it with lot of, fact checking, which was false. And I also did not, try and argue with them because कुछ लोगों की तो आंख बंदी रहनी है, कुछ लोगों का narrative ही वो है. So this movie challenges that narrative. That it was not only 3-4 people who got our independence. There were many other people. And the armed revolution also was that of significance in our country, which has been brushed under the carpet. And my attempt was just to show that different point of view. And if you agree with Mr. Savarkar or you disagree with Mr. Savarkar, that comes in post. You watch something which is just a question.
And now, of course, it's coming on Z5 Global, so more people will watch it and more reactions will come out. But an underrated freedom fighter like him, जिनके बारे में आज तक ऐसी इतनी बड़े स्केल पे कोई किसी ने फिल्म बनाई नहीं है. बाकी फ्रीडम फाइटर्स पे तो काफी सारे फिल्में और डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनी है. तो कोई ऐसी एक आध चीज जो आपको, आई नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स यू मस्ट हैव डिस्कवर्ड अबाउट हिम, बट वन थिंग दैट स्टेड विथ यू दैट यू फील कि नहीं ये चीज क्यों लोगों को नहीं पता इनके बारे में.
सबसे बड़ी चीज तो ये थी कि हिंदुत्व को डिवाइसिव बोलते हैं और वो डिवाइसिव बिल्कुल नहीं है. अब एक ही पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी थी हमारी जो कि ऑल इंक्लूसिव थी, जो कि एक जियोग्राफिकल, पॉलिटिकल और कल्चरल यूनिटी पे थी, जो कि सिंधु नदी से सिंधु सागर तक हम सब एक लोग हैं, चाहे वो हम किसी भी धर्म, जात या समुदाय के क्यों ना हो. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज जो एक मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन है. और बाद में क्योंकि उस वक्त नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस पे धर्म के नाम पे हमला होने वाला था, इसीलिए उन्होंने उसमें लास्ट क्लॉज डाला था कि ये उनकी पुण्य भूमि भी होगी. पुण्य भूमि और कर्म भूमि एक ही चीज होती है भाई. तो ये सब जो उनके बारे में फॉल्सनेस है कि वो देश को डिवाइड करना चाहते थे, वो बिल्कुल गलत है. वो माफी वीर थे, ये बिल्कुल गलत है. उन्होंने बेल पिटीशंस लिखी थी. अगर आप 26 साल की उम्र में 50 साल की काला पानी की कैद लोगे तो क्या आप वहां पे हनीमून मनाओगे या वहां से निकलने की कोशिश करोगे? चीजें हैं जो कि उनके बारे में बहुत ही गलत फैलाई गई हैं. और आप उनसे डिसएग्री करो पर समझो तो जानता ही नहीं कोई उनके बारे में कुछ. वैसे ही बैठ के ट्विटर पे बात करते रहते हैं. एसी में बैठ के ट्वीट करना बहुत आसान है. काला पानी के उनके सेल में तुम 5 मिनट रह के दिखाओ डालें.
सोचो आपने, मतलब you did your research and it wasn't like the first 2 pages of Wikipedia. और ऐसी भी फिल्में आती है, मैं देखता हूँ जो साल में 4-5 फिल्में आती है एक हीरो की और उसमें रिसर्च के नाम पे कुछ नहीं होता है. तो we know all that. But anyway, what's next? Anything fun coming up? I hope we don't have to wait for another 2-3 years to see you.
No, there are a few projects, but I am just taking a bit of a rest, and then
you deserve it.
Yeah, and then I will choose my next project soon, and hopefully you'll see more of me, and I won't be doing projects 1 in 2 years or something like that.
Yeah, I think now you should make audience and your mom both happy by doing something very romantic, chill, light-hearted.
Yeah,
chick flick.
अच्छे कपड़े पहनो, खूब पैसे लो और स्लो मोशन में चलो. That's my new aim.
But that's what works these days in Bollywood. That's what we're down to. Theater mein. I mean, that's where the big money is supposedly. That's what it's the way.
No, there's not. Most of those movies are not very successful.
They're not. But I always say this as somebody who's followed this for 18 years now. I always say कि आप कभी नहीं बता पाओगे कि एक फिल्म कितना पैसा कमाती है. Like ये जो figures आते हैं, ये जो tweets आते हैं और जो भी हमें बताया जाता है, you will never be able to tell how much a film makes as an audience.
Ours is an open book. We've not inflated anything because he's a public listed company. So I'm very happy. I got a great response. About 90% of shows that were screened in India, there was applause in the end, and I think that's a great pat on my back, and I really take it as a compliment and an encouragement to do more such pieces.
Absolutely, and all the best for whatever you choose to do next, and congratulations.
Thank you
for Swatantra Veer Savarkar. Thank you so much for talking to us, and please, when you come to Dubai, come to the studios.
Sure.
Talk to our audience. Be with us.
Sure. Thank
and
you.
And please give my regards to your mom. उनको तो याद होगा definitely, and to Dr.
बिल्कुल. I'll definitely tell her. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.